Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name's Casey, and on this channel I share my daily life unfiltered. In today's video I will be showing you how to make some warm wassail. It's a family tradition we do every fall and winter time. We make this warm delicious drink, and today I'm going to show you how to make it, and I'll leave the recipe in the description bar below. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put 6 cups of apple cider and a cinnamon stick into our large pan. Now that we add our 6 cups of apple cider, now we're gonna put our cinnamon stick and let it boil and simmer for 5 minutes. Now we're gonna let this boil and simmer for 5 minutes. Okay, now that it's simmered for 5 minutes, now we're gonna add the rest of our ingredients. We're gonna add a 1/4 cup of honey. We're gonna add a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. We're gonna add 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Now we're gonna add 2½ cups of pineapple juice. And we're going to stir all that together. Make sure all the ingredients have been stirred in. And finally, we're just going to turn it to low heat for 5 more minutes, and it should be all good to go. And that's how you make wassail. I'll put in the description below the ingredients to make it and the recipe, so you can make it yourself. Now all that's left to do is serve it in your cup and enjoy. And there you go, warm wassail. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notifications so you don't miss a new video. Stay tuned to see what I'm up to next time as I continue to share my daily life unfiltered. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.